I'm going to do a little video showing you how to adjust your probe compensation when you've got a brand new oscilloscope and a brand new probe and it's not been set up yet. I'm going to show you how to do that, so stick around. Won't take long, only a couple of minutes. So when you get your probes in a brand new pack, like such as this one here, you'll find usually it's not calibrated. Unless you're particularly lucky and you just happen to get one that's been used or messed around with or something. Alright, so let's grab this one out and see if it actually works. We'll just chuck this on channel 1 as well. Let's swap these over. I've been playing with this one, so I was going to see if this one's actually out of calibration already or not. If it's out, then I'll tune it. So let's hook this up. Yeah, that's a long way out. Great, that's perfect. So let's show you how to do this. So on a probe, you've got a hole on the side there with a little slot in it. And there's a little screwdriver which comes in a pack. So it's in here, you get that out. And you basically adjust it. It's pretty simple. Now this probe is on, this one will be on 10 times, right? 10 times on here, you got 1 times there, 10 times there, so you did a probe compensation on 10 times. So now what we've got to do is tune these to be different. Actually, let's change this coupling. Let's go to AC coupling, shall we? Coupling AC. So we'll increase the voltage so we can see a bigger signal on screen, so it's a bit easy for you to see. And slow it down slightly as well. I'll speed up a bit slightly. So over here, I'm going to tune in that little hole that's in the probe, and you'll see the waveform changing on the scope there. So that's currently overshooting. We need to get that so it doesn't undershoot or overshoot. So you also undershoot as well. We don't want that either. You want it to be flat on the top and on the bottom of the waveform. Okay. Now sometimes you won't get it exactly right. You might be one to be perfect, like this one now. The bottom trace is perfect. The top one's got a little bit of overshoot. You're going to get that. You won't get rid of it completely. Usually, it's very unusual to get both exactly perfect. You might get a good compromise between the two somewhere. So I'm going to drop this down a little bit more and try and get both exactly as flat as I can. There we go. That's not too bad there. It's pretty good. So that's pretty flat waveform on each side. That's basically what you want to aim for, so you got the most accurate response when you probe. And you can change the voltages as well, just to make sure. But generally, once you got it set, it's set. So I hope you found that interesting. Make sure you give us a like and a subscribe and that sort of stuff, and give us a thumbs up and thumbs up. You know, click the bell icon to get notified about new videos. See what else I'm making. Catch you later.